I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's going to be a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. Today is episode 115, and we're talking about the difference in tax value and fair market value. Tax value and fair market value are often confused. In North Carolina, once every 10 years, the county reassesses the value and they multiply that by the county tax rate to determine your annual property tax. The fair market value is what a reasonable buyer would pay for the home. We call it an arm's length. Means there's no special pricing for family or friends. It's the if you want more information, you can check out the appraised value from last week. Tax value is only changing once every 10 years. Fair market value can change in a minute. For example, in our area, changes to the amount of personnel at the Elizabeth City Coast Guard base or a large firm moving to the area. Things that affect the supply and demand could impact the fair market value, but only the county can adjust your tax value, and that may happen if you do an addition. See last week's video for more information on that permitted space. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my and past episodes on my website over at chriswhitehurst.com. You can also check me out on most popular media, social media sites like Facebook and YouTube. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.